Hi, Jonathan. So today we will be working on your IEP goal number 4 right here. And we are Friday, September 11th, 2020. My name is Lily de la Garza and I'm your RISE co-teacher. So let's begin. So today we'll be working on your goal number 4, which is mathematics. And we're going to do simple addition. So these worksheets you do not have. So what you can do is in a piece of paper, you don't have to draw the pictures, just write the numbers. You write question number 1, and you have 1, 2, 3 flowers. So you put 3 plus 1 equals 4. You'll do the same thing for this one. Just write the numbers. You don't have to draw pictures. 1 plus 5 equals, and you write the answer. And we'll do this one also. So you have 5 leaves, so you put 5 plus 4 equals. This one is 4 plus 3 equals. 2 plus 6 equals. And 2 plus 3 equals. So just write your answers, write the problem out and your answers. You don't have to draw. Now let's see this one. You're going to do the same thing here. This sheet, of course, you don't have it. So you're just going to write the problem. So you have 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 plus 1 fish equals 2, 4. So 1 plus 2 equals. 1 plus 4 equals. 1 plus 1 equals. And 1 plus 3 equals. So go ahead and write your answers in a piece of paper. And when you're done, please send them to me and I can upload them for you in Teams. If you have any questions, call me and I'll be able to help you.